Hey, it's Brooklyn Napier, Realtor with the Dan Plowman team. Today we're going to tour our newest home for sale at 23 London Road here in Ajax. Let's take a look around. This three-story townhome features a garage and is centrally located close to all amenities you could possibly need. Your second floor features an open concept layout with your kitchen, living, and dining room, as well as a walkout to your balcony. Now let's go take a look upstairs. Upstairs, we have two great-sized bedrooms, including a primary bedroom with a walk-in closet and a semi-ensuite. Thanks so much for staying till the end of our tour of 23 London Road here in Ajax. Again, I'm Brooklyn Napier, Realtor with the Dan Plowman team. If this home caught your eye, call the number above to book your private tour. And as always, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to stay up to date with all of our newest homes for sale.